What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about Metrobank credit cards annual fee. Kasi merong siyam na credit card si Metrobank. Specifically, 8 yung sa kanila tapos may isang parang sampid. Charot. Nakipag-collaboration kasi sa kanila yung PS Bank. So kasama na rin siya sa ino-offer ni Metrobank credit cards. Pag-uusapan natin yung annual fee and then yung perks and benefits and having this kind of credit cards na merong ino-offer si Metrobank. Pero bago yun, nice muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong isi-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So ito guys, as you can see, meron ako papel dito. Nakalista yung annual fees ng Metrobank credit cards. Kasi kapag hindi ako sure, tinawag ko sa customer service to verify the annual fee para hindi mali yung maibigay ko na details. So ito guys, so unahin ko muna yung annual fee, then next ko yung perks and benefits ng mga credit cards na yun. Hindi ko pwedeng pagsabayan para at least kapag gusto nyo malaman yung annual fee, malaman nyo agad. So, unahin ko yung Metrobank Cashback credit card ni Metrobank. So, yung annual fee nyo guys is 3,500. Itong si Metrobank Cashback card. Then, yung annual fee ng supplementary credit card, kasi aside from mother card or principal, pwede kayo mag-request ng supplementary credit card. So, yung supplementary ni Metrobank Cashback credit card is 1,750. Then, ngayon, let's move on to Toyota card ni Metrobank. Yung annual fee niya is 2,500 and then yung supplementary card annual fee is 1,250. Then sa Metrobank Rewards Plus card naman, yung annual fee niya is 2,500 din. Then yung annual fee niya ng supplementary card niya is 1,500. Then sa Metrobank Titanium Mastercard is 2,500 din. Then yung annual fee ng supplementary card is 1,500. Then sa Metrobank Platinum Mastercard, yung annual fee niya is 5,000 and then yung supplementary card is 2,500. Sa Metrobank World Mastercard naman, yung annual fee niya is 6,000 pesos. Then yung supplementary card is 3,000 pesos. Sa Metrobank Travel Signature Visa, 5,500. Tapos sa annual fee naman ng supplementary is 2,750. Then sa Metrobank M-Free Mastercard. So ito yung no annual fee credit card ni Metrobank, no annual fee for life siya. And then si PS Bank Credit Mastercard is no annual fee for life then. So out of 9 na credit cards na ino-offer ni Metrobank, 7 lang yung may annual fee, yung 2 is no annual fee for life, which is si Metrobank M-Free Mastercard and then si PS Bank Credit Card. And then ngayon guys, let's move on to perks and benefits na ino-offer ni Metrobank Credit Cards. So sa Metrobank Cashback Card guys, yung ino-offer niya is 2,500 EGCs when you reach the minimum accumulated valid spend of 30,000 within the spend period. So exclusive siya sa first-time principal Metrobank card holder. So ibig sabihin, unang apply nyo, ito yung approve, ganun yung mechanics niya, kailangan lang mag-spend ng 30,000 within spending period. Yung key benefits naman niya is 5% rebates on all groceries, telecom, school, and bookstore. 0.2% on all other categories. The rewards and rebates is 5% on groceries, telecom, school, and bookstore spend. 0.2% on all other purchase. Then get up to 12,000 pesos rebate per year. So, ibig sabihin, sa loob ng isang taon, 12,000 yung pwede nyong ma-avail na rebates. Ngayon, let's move on to Toyota card ni Metrobank, which means welcome offer niya is no annual fee. So, pwede maging no annual fee itong Toyota card kapag na-reach ninyo yung annual spend na 250,000 pesos or monthly spend of 21,000. So, meron siyang condition, within a year, 250,000 dapat yung may spending nyo. Then, within a month, dapat 21,000 pesos. Exclusive to first-time Metrobank Principal Credit Card holders. Then yung key benefits naman, yung parang pinaka-main purpose niya is 3% fuel rebate sa Petron. So yung Petron, yung partner merchant nila. 10% on parts, accessories, and labor at Toyota. So kapag nag-ano kayo sa Toyota, yung sasakyan ninyo, pinagawa ninyo sa Toyota, 10% yung discount sa parts and accessories, pati na rin sa labor. 2 times rewards points and preferred Toyota dealers. So, rewards and rebates, 20 pesos is equals to 1 point on every spend. Then yun, let's move on to Metrobank Rewards Plus card. Yung welcome offer niya is 2,500 pesos GCs when you reach the minimum accumulated spend, valid spend of 30,000 within the spend period. So, ganun din, valid siya sa mga first-timer applicants na kapag na-approve, nag-apply kayo to, ito yung na-approve, so 30,000 yung kailangan yung igastos within spending period. Then yung key benefits niya is 2 rewards points on gadgets and online spend. Then yung rewards and rebates, 2 times rewards points on all online, gadget, telco, and delivery transactions. The next natin guys is the Metrobank Titanium Mastercard. Yung welcome offer niya is no annual fees din. So, pwede maging no annual fees itong Metrobank Titanium Mastercard kapag na-reach ninyong annual spend of 250,000 or monthly of 21,000 pesos. So, ganun din, exclusive siya sa mga first-timer applicants. Key benefits is no annual fees with 2 times rewards points. Rewards and rebates is 2 times reward points on all online, department store, and dining spend. Then ngayon, let's move on to Metrobank Platinum Mastercard. Welcome offer is no annual fees din. So, itong Metrobank Platinum Mastercard, pwedeng maging no annual fee kapag na-reach ninyo yung 400,000 na spending requirement within a year from the date of na-activate yung credit card. Then, 34,000 a month siya. Ganun din, exclusive sa mga first-timer applicants ni Metrobank. So, kapag may existing credit card na kayo ni Metrobank, hindi na kayo qualified. Ganun din sa mga una kong nabanggit. Then, yung key benefits niya is up to 50% on premium dining deals. So, sa mga restaurant, pwede siyang gamitin. May mga nag-o-offer ng mga mamahaling restaurant, 50% discount siya. Earn 1 reward points for every 20 pesos spent. TNCs apply. Rewards and rebates is 20 pesos, 1 point on every spend. Then yeah, let's move on to Metrobank World Mastercard. Yung welcome offer niya is 10,000 GCs, o diba, EGCs, when you reach the minimum accumulated spend of 80,000 within the spend period. So kapag nag-apply kayo guys, ite-text kayo kung magkano yung dapat yung igastos within the date of activation ng credit card na yon, then 80,000 lang siya. So magte-text sila kapag na-apply, then gamitin nyo yung 80,000. So kapag na-approve yon, valid yon, makakatanggap kayo ng 10,000 pesos worth of EGCs. Ganun din, exclusive din siya sa mga new applicants. Key benefits is 1 air mile per 17 pesos foreign currency spent. So kapag outside the country, 1 air mile per 50 pesos spent on other categories. 1.85% low forex fee, up to 50% deals here and abroad. Unlimited local lounge access, complimentary to global lounge access per year. Free for life annual fee for 2 supplementary credit cards. So kapag nag-apply kayo under this Metrobank World Mastercard ng supplementary card, no annual fee for life yung dalawang credit card. Yung rewards and rebates naman is 20 pesos, 3 points on foreign currency spent. So kapag outside the country, kapag convert into pesos, so 3 points sa bawat 20 pesos. 20 pesos, 1 point on other categories. 2.5 points naman per mile. Then let's move on to Metrobank Travel Signature Visa. So welcome offer is not applicable. So ibig sabihin wala silang welcome offer. Let's move on to key benefits of Metrobank Travel Signature Visa. 1 mile for every 30 pesos spent. 1.68% low forex fee, valid until November 19, 2025. So pwede naman ito ma-extend. Extend naman nila ito. Tapos parang binibigyan na ng expiration. Pero pagkadating ng date na to, November 19, 2025, mag-extend naman. Parang ganun. Unlimited local lounge access, 24/7 Visa concerts. So maganda yan guys. Free for life annual fee for the first supplementary card. Rewards and rebates is 1 air mile, 1.5 rewards points, 30 pesos spend, 20 times 1.5 rewards points. Then ngayon, let's move on to Metrobank M-Free Mastercard. Nakikita nyo naman is welcome offer is not applicable. Since ito ay no annual fee for life. So, ayan, nakikita nyo, key benefits, no annual fee for life. So, not applicable din yung rewards and rebates. Ganun din sa PS Bank credit card, wala ring welcome offer, wala ring key benefits, and then no annual fee for life siya sa key benefits, then rewards and rebates is not applicable. So I think that's all for now. So sana may na-share ako. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. It's me again, Joseph Kate, that says, we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!